Good day. I hope this video finds you well. I'm going to be presenting for Group 7 Systems Gods for CMPG311, and we're doing phase 3. So I just want to explain here. This is our physical data model. We did it in Lucid Charts, and then we exported the Oracle SQL for creation of the tables, and then this is the code that we opened this SQL file with Oracle Developer, and then we realized it was erroneous because it couldn't recognize foreign keys, so we had to alter these tables. So after doing everything, this is the code that we got from our Oracle project. So it was even easier for us to use it like this in terms of troubleshooting, because Oracle has been giving us problems. So whenever we open, our tables are gone, and then we have to go through the process of opening this file again, and then altering this table so that it can recognize the foreign keys, and also it can recognize primary keys for certain tables. So it was easier this way for troubleshooting. So it is well documented in this way. So you can see it shows the code whereby we are altering here. So for each table, it's all there, and it also has some indexes. So we also created the sequence for primary keys because we wanted it to auto-generate whenever we populate it. So the primary key, whenever we add a new record, is going to increment by 1, and it has no cycle. So we did the same for each table. And then also here, this is where we also use this code to make sure that the indexes are in place. So, and this is the format that we used for populating our data set. So we have many records, but this is the format that we were using for each table. So as you can see, and then here we have our queries. So our queries are also here in the Oracle SQL Developer. These are the same queries. We created this table to show which ones are relevant for each category, and so I'll be demonstrating these queries here in Oracle SQL Developer. So I can just minimize this window, and then let's just focus on Oracle SQL Developer. So I'll start with our first query. So this one, because this scenario is about the cruise ship. So the name of the company is the Grand Cruise. So this query, it displays a list of available room types with their prices sorted by descending order, limited to 10 rows. So let me run this query so that you can see. Okay, my computer is a bit slow, it's not responding. Okay, here are the results. So this statement displays the first and last name of the guest along with their last name. So if I run the query, it shows the length of their last name, I meant. So the reason why we're using this is for the marketing department to see whenever they are having the guest at the Grand Cruise, people with the longest last name, they get gifts special gift. So this is like the marketing technique to encourage other people to come next time, especially if you know you have a longer surname. So these people with the length of 10 are going to get some prizes or gifts from the Grand Cruise company, and then 9 the ones with 9 and below won't get anything. So yeah. And then the next query, so this statement counts the number of reservations made each month in 2024 and displays more than 3 reservations. So you can see this month so far we have like 9 reservations. So the following query, this one, it displays the first name, last name, and job description of all employees with the name and type of restaurant they work in. So you can see the results here. We have John Doe, he's the manager, he works at the fine dining, and the type of restaurant you can see here, and for other employees. So let's move to the next query. The next query we have, so this statement, it displays reservations made by guests who have also made reservations for the additional guests, because when you make a reservation you can also like bring along your people. So for example here it says number of guests, this person is coming alone, but this one is 3 people. That means this person is coming with 2 friends. So even their check-in and check-out date, it's gonna be the same. We just make sure that they're different. So but obviously we know that what's this, they're gonna be moving on the same trip. So the next query, this one, it calculates the total amount paid by guests rounded to the nearest integer, and then so far with the 9 reservations that we have, this is the amount that has been paid. And then for the next query, so this statement displays the top 5 entertainment by the date along with their details. So as you can see the results here, it has like the type of entertainment, and it also shows the date and what time it's gonna start. And for the next query, this one is going to display the first and last name of each guest and their phone numbers. So this one is also important in case the departments need to call the guest. And then the following query, this statement finds employees who were hired in the last 6 months. So this one, it also they're managing their employees to see how much they're spending on new employees and how much training resources they will spend for these new employees, and etc. So the following statement, this statement groups employees according to their job descriptions and get their names from the person entity. So as you can see here, Jane Smith, she's the chef, and then we have others here along with their respective job description. And then for the last query, on our last query, this statement, it retrieves all employees whose first name start with letter J and last name starts with S, and they have like the status of full-time employment. So you can see here we have John Doe. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you have a good time.